Have you ever captured a bird, the freedom in its motion in your life? I have. More than one can count. And if you are curious to know how it's done, let me show you. When I was a child, I used to chase moments in nature, capturing animals, especially the birds with my friend by my side. Now they are all gone. But I never gave up the habit. Always loved them. Nothing could hold me back as a child. And today, I continue to chase them, nurture them, and let them fly. Majid Magic, capturing unforgettable moments of your life.